This is Muhammad. Today is another lecture of JavaScript. In previous lecture, I'll also do how attach JavaScript file and some other basics of website and JavaScript. Now I'm doing first another program that's I want to create URLs and ID. Basically the concept is same in CSS, okay, in Bootstrap and JavaScript. Only syntax is different. Okay, ID is also using what CSS, but here is also using. Only syntax is different. CL.get element by ID document. Method is same. You must understand the technique of coding, how to use. Okay, syntax is different. If you have completely understood technique, then you can apply other program as well as. Okay, see how to use this. First I want to save it. Okay, give any name like JavaScript 2.html and okay, give the name display a message using ID. Press Ctrl S to save it. Now see here. Okay. First adding to this is first JavaScript program, and P is what paragraph. In this paragraph I am creating an ID demo. Okay, see how to do this. For example, okay, this is JavaScript program. ID is equals to demo. Okay, here is script/script document.get element by ID of demo.inner.html is equals to my first JavaScript program semicolon. Okay, script/script. Here document dot get element by ID. Okay, Here I want to write like here is ID, and here demo. In this criteria you can write the coding as you see here. Document.getElement by ID, demo, inverted comma closed, okay. Dot get element by ID and dot inner HTML, it takes this data. Okay, I want to, this is small, and do it also small, and you must close this inverted comma, and here dot inner HTML. For example, I want to type a message hello world. Here is semicolon. Okay, this one. Press enter. Control S to save it. Now see onto the website. This is JavaScript program. Okay, first one, this one is here, but other one you can also see here. Dot inner HTML, okay, is equal to, not bracket. Here you must do changes here. Only syntax is different. You concept is same, syntax is different. Okay, see, and document.getElement by ID, demo.inner HTML equal to this. Okay, see, here is what is in this criteria, like document.getElement by ID, I is capitalize this. Okay, press Ctrl S to save it, and this one closed. Again to open this, press enter. This is JavaScript program hello world. Okay, I want to just print document.getElement, this is world, this function to print or display message. Which message? Hello world. Dot inner HTML. These all are the codings, and here is scripts, that means JavaScripting. This is the all of the coding, and you can see also here this is all of the coding, how to display a message.